Hi Warham fam, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And it's another build.
Yay.
So this time it is the Lemon or Lemonade shop.
Yeah.
Which is Ducky-tastic. Right, now then, just in case you're wondering, they're the ones from this series, and as you can see, we've done the others.
Yeah.
So this is the last one of this series.
Yeah, at that point in time.
At that point in time. They don't usually tend to... They only usually go up to 6 at the most as a rule, from what I can work out on series ones. They tend to bring out 2, then they bring out another 2, and then if they're going to, they bring out another 2. But yeah. So this is Loz build, and it's 796 pieces.
Yeah.
I know I got it from AliExpress, but I've got no idea of the price, and it was a while ago.
Yeah.
Different deals go on, and what have you. Alright, so let's open
Ducky
the
around as well.
box.
Ducky around.
I mean, I'm quite intrigued by the leaves coming out of her ear.
She's got a headband on like you.
Yeah, but they
Leaves
look like
headband.
leaves rather than... You know what I mean.
You got pumpkins on your head.
I was born this way.
Yeah.
Right. Ooh. So this isn't as fancy.
It's an unwrappy one. It depends what time they were made, I believe.
It does, yeah, pretty much. There's no secret. I prefer it when they're in proper booklet form, but I mean only because I make this into an extremely scruffy road map in the end.
Yeah. Debbie doesn't put it back as it was.
No,
it's got all sorts of different bends in it.
Well, I have to, don't I? 'Cause, you know, I want to know though.
Top. No.
No, that's the bottom. I'm an idiot. Never mind. Oh dear. Come on then.
There it is.
There we go. So I will be sorting this first because
This one's not done. This one's done differently. This one's not done as the bags anyway.
No, it's not done as the bags anyway. But no, I enjoy ticking off, and you know, I'm sad. There you go. Stop agreeing with me, people. Right. So let's see. So that's our map. I mean, booklet, guys, whatever.
Got a lot of air in it.
These are going to be clear as mud. Not sure. We'll come back to that one. Ah, bag 1.
Yeah.
Makes it so much easier when they print it on the blooming white bit. Bag 6. Shall I just show you this, guys? Right, so you usually get a set of numbers, and then it's the one you want to pay attention to. Because they'll have numbers all over the show in these.
Yeah.
6, that's 1. As I said, we don't know what that is yet.
No. No.
That's
number 5.
4. Ah, well done. 4, 5.
6. Really? That one there is 6.
Is it?
Yeah. The one at the front's 1.
Yeah.
Yeah,
4, 5,
5.
6.
Yeah.
That's 3. It's 3, 4, 5 now.
Yeah.
It's not so many bags, but they are mostly heftier. And that's 2. So yeah, there's 6 bags, but they are quite bulky.
Yeah.
And somebody has been really careless on how they've done this.
Shove that in.
Honestly. How hard is it to put things in straight? Right, so...
They could have put it in with the book.
They could have done.
Yeah.
Well, the map, but you know. But yeah, so you've got a couple of bits in here, little apron, your stickers, and whatever the...
Explosive bit.
Oh, that's the one for when he gets donked on the head, look.
Yeah. Oh, 'cause it moves bits, does it?
I don't know.
It looks loose. It's blank.
I don't know. But it's very citrusy, the stickers are.
Yeah.
But yeah, so that's what we got in this. It's still filled up the box though. They do tend to be fair.
Yeah.
And I will say as well, they do come in nice knit. I did remove a big sticker from here.
Yeah.
But the only reason I did that, if I'm honest, is because I wanted to show you guys the ones that were in the series. Plus, I also wanted to remind myself of what was in the series. So, yeah this is actually quite exciting because this is a finish one, a completed set.
Yay.
Oh. Right, so let's get sorted, followed by let's build. So, after sorting, which took
5 hours 59 minutes,
and building, which took
9 hours 48 minutes,
and
the total time of 15 hours 47 minutes.
So it's quite a long one, this one. It was actually, there were a lot of pieces, and some of it was quite fiddly. It was relatively straightforward, but certain bits you had to sort of have your thinking head on. So, you know. Right, so after all that, we had these leftover stickers.
Yep.
Which I condensed all into one bit. Those spares.
Yep, quite a few.
Yeah, I know, it's not bad, is it?
Nothing.
Right, so first of all, we will bring out our lemonade lady.
Yeah.
I love the bow in her hair. Could also be
Leaves.
like leaves. Yeah, that's right. And then we had a separate little
Place to drink.
Yeah, so lady taking a spin, and then I loved all the detail and that in this.
Yeah.
Right, so we're ready for the big reveal, are we not?
We are.
So 1, 2, 3, Revelio!
Hey.
And let's move these back a little so they're not in the way. I'll leave her laying down because I probably will knock her otherwise.
Yep.
So, as I've taken to doing now, okay, this is only the second time, I'm going to show you it closed up first.
You can't see the paper bit where it hits him.
I double checked. It's definitely how they wanted it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, when you see the side, you'll see why it was this way.
Yeah.
Because the other side is a lot more on this side, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
I'm presuming they're lights, but they just seem a little odd, if you know what I mean. Love the big duck.
Yep.
And it's got a little pair of goggles on it, on its head. This actually, one of the arms broke on this, and I thought, oh great, this was on one of the ones around here that it broke.
What is it?
It's the flowers. It's
all right.
But this side only called for 2 flowers. I thought great, so I used them there, and the purple one I had that had something stuck in it, I used further round, which I'll show you when it comes to. So this side, you've got your nice flowers. There's your more of your punch wallop bit, which is, you know. Then you've got really pretty pot of flowers, your sign. I love this. I absolutely love this lemonade glass with the straw.
Yeah.
And it looks like it's got ice around it. And of course you've got lemon and 2 little duckies. And your open and close details.
Yeah.
You take it round and you've got some more windows. And you've got a nice little bit there. Right, so that takes you back round to the front, which of course, you know, the door opens.
Yeah.
So, if it's open like that, this is how it will look. And as we give you a spin, got a nice little bit up here. Somebody's got some lemonade. They've got their mobile phone out. You've got a little sink and a recycling bin down there, and your broom in case you need it. Then you've got, I'm presuming this is some sort of rolling board, but it's also got a lemon on it. So maybe it's some sort of machine that squeezes the lemon. I have no idea. That's where I put my... No, it isn't. I don't know where that one went then. What else have you got in there? Right, so you've got your squeezy sauce, I suppose you can put into it, and your little till. And then we're back round. So, oh, sorry, up here, just worth mentioning, you've got a box of lemons, which are really cute, actually. Yeah, so I've got to say, I really love this. I think it is so cutesy. It's even more adorable than it sort of looks, if you know what I mean. You know, I've just knocked the stick out of her hand. I'm not quite... Oh, I've just pulled her ear off. And now I've pulled her bow off. I'm doing really well, guys. Honestly, I'm not entirely sure what the sticks are. So if somebody knows, please tell me. It looks like she's cracked. I don't think she'd be walking around with a cinnamon stick. But it actually looks like her face is cracked slightly, but it isn't. It's a mark on it, which is really annoying. I have tried getting rid of it, and it's not playing, you know. But yeah, that arm should be down. Silly woman, what are you doing? Right, so that's our lemon build. That finishes this set. So we got all the ones from this set, which of course is the noodles, octopus, ice cream, shark, the cat one, which I think was some sort of soy sauce, and the lemonade one. So there's actually 6 in this set. My hair gets everywhere, guys. It's stuck to the box. Right, so yeah, I mean, all in all, I really recommend this set. They're really nice. They're so detailed and happy days. Right, my lovely. So let me know what you guys think. And as always, be different. A very merry unhoo-hoo. And it can't be a ducky boop, but what about our little lady lemon? Cheers, boop.